local sporting fraternity continues the relentless search for that elusive balance between academics and sports, especially in our high school system. The Maverick one drop a reality check this evening. It's like a Zozo check. The rampant talk about outstanding student athletes needing to gamble on their talent to give themselves the best chance of transitioning into the professional ranks. Please remember, this only applies to the elite level talent, which is a minute minority of the students in the schools. I don't want nobody here we are talking about this youth must forget about Manning Cup and go pro, or that youth must stop waste time trying to win champs and go pro. I don't want the youth them get the argument twisted and feel say from your kick a ball or from your run a race, you must stop work class and you must stop go school. Not like that. The fact of the matter is that 99% of the students who take part in high school sports in Jamaica will not become professional stars. So I beg you, stay with the reality and stay in school. Try to get a proper education. When you hear we talking about the 1 or 2 or maybe 3 outstanding sprinters or talented footballers who bigger than the high school league, those are few and far between. And even with the talent, you need to learn as much as you can. This gamble we're talking about is for a precious few to take. The rest of you, pre-uno book to take.